Hey y'all, it's Christina with Stina Resells. I am a part-time reseller on both Poshmark and eBay, and I also consign some items into the Referral. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing a Thredup rescue box. Today's box is a fun box, which is one of my favorite ones to do from Thredup. The risk is low and the reward can be high. I almost always make my money back and typically make money on these boxes. Sometimes not a lot, but sometimes a lot. So fingers crossed that I get a good box today. If you're not familiar with the Thredup fun boxes, there are 10 items guaranteed, miscellaneous items anywhere from socks, sleepwear, things you don't even know what they are, intimates, phone cases, who knows what'll be in this box. And then the box is $34. So we will get into it. This one just arrived this week, so it's a recent purchase, and we'll see what I got. It is coming to us, let's see, from Mechanicsburg, and I went ahead and cut the tape. Sometimes I cut the tape before I start filming, and sometimes I wait. There's the tissue off the top. And excuse my office, we're in disarray here. I've got some shipping going on in the background, crafting over here because I was doing boxes for my son's baseball team. And then I have a mystery box up here from Hallmark with Christmas stuff in it. And I haven't even opened it yet, which is crazy. Okay. Tissue off the top. Ooh, I'm getting excited about this already. I just opened a handbag box on Tuesday, which I will link that up here for you guys to watch. And I was like very scared when I was opening the box because I haven't had good luck with the handbag boxes from Thredup. But when I open the fun box, I have so much joy. I get so excited. So anyways, have fun with me. Let's do it. Okay. First item in the box, so cute, are these Land's End slippers. Fuzzy on the inside, and from what I can see so far, it looks like they're in good condition. And look how cute these little sheep with scarves and socks and everything are. They have a cork sole, it looks like, which I love. I'm a Birkenstocks girl, you guys. I don't know when that happened, but that's like almost exclusively what I wear. We've got one little sheep here. And I swear these don't look worn. Look at that. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I will have to see what these retail for, but I'm kind of obsessed with these. I won't keep them because I would never use them here in Texas. It does not get cold. In fact, we're in triple digits today. Okay, and it's early in the summer, which is scary. So that's not good. I love these. So for our first item, I would say we're off to a good start. Okay, next item. Looks like we've got a new, okay, the tag on here says, does that say Fairy? Women's Summer Floral Print. It looks like a bucket hat. Oh, I think it's saying this name, not Fairy. I don't know, Phaiy. I guess that's the brand name. I'm not familiar with that, but it's got like a hunter on it and a fisherman. Huh, okay. I love when I get brands I don't know. It's very exciting for me. I get to like do research and discover all sorts of new things. It is a bucket hat. Really pretty like tropical print. That is the brand name. Again, don't know how to say it. I was thinking maybe since it had like the hunter and the fisherman on it, that maybe it was like a UPF hat. But I don't see anything that says that in here. So I will have to look it up. If it were a UPF hat, I may hold on to it. I'm a melanoma survivor and I wear UPF clothing all the time. So when I drive the car, which I'm actually thinking about being a big nerd and getting UPF gloves, driving gloves for the car. I have the kind that go here, like over your thumb. So it protects like up to my fingers. But my kids are going to be so geeked out if I do that. Oh, well, we'll see. That's part of the fun of being a mom, I guess. Okay, so next look into the box, kind of the next layer. And this one, so I ordered 2 fun boxes and they've both arrived. This is the first one I'm opening. The other one was very light when I picked it up, and this one was much heavier. So I don't know if that means anything, but just giving you guys the inside deets. All right, we have a bra. Let's see. Lovelet. I don't know how to say this. I don't know what this says. Size small. I'll have to look that up. I'm pretty sure it says love, but I don't know if then that's an L or an F. E-T-T-E. Maybe one of you guys know. You can drop it in the comments for me. And look at this lovely ring that I got. If you guys watch Timeless Jewel by Deborah, Deborah's channel is amazing. You should look it up. She unboxes lots of jewelry on her channel and some other items. She also does some fun boxes from time to time. And I bought this really pretty ring from her. Thank you, Deborah. All right, so it's kind of a peach colored lacy bralette. It does, I don't know if this is a bralette though, because it does have, I guess it is, because it doesn't have a cup size. It just says size small. So we'll call it a bralette. But new with tags. I love getting sleepwear pieces and things like that in these boxes. Next, we have the typical fun box tights or pantyhose. Let's see. These are by the brand Mimoy Legwear sweater tights in a blue, medium large. Let's see. The retail on these is $14.99. It says compare at $24, but I don't think so. So I will list those. Next, we have a pair of sunglasses. I got a pair that almost looks exactly like these in another box, but they were like the faux tortoiseshell, but very rectangular like these. They were unbranded. These are also unbranded. So maybe I'll actually do a bundle listing on those two. Maybe I'll rephotograph. I have just some white shades. Next, another baggie. This has a watch in it. I'll give you guys first look here. It's got the little like moon and stars that like tell you whether it's day or night. I'm trying to see what the name is on this. I'm not familiar. It says Sergio Valente, stainless steel back, metal bezel, and there is a model number here. I'll show you guys where I'm reading this. So I will have to look up this brand. See, it's got the little moon and stars. So hopefully, and it's like a two-tone, like silver tone and gold tone. The stretch is still really good on it. This reminds me of like late 80s, early 90s. So I love that. It feels very substantial. So I'll have to look it up. Hopefully it works. It obviously needs a battery. But that's good. I do sometimes get watches in these boxes. Okay, let me give you another peek. Looks like we got some bags, which I've shared this opinion recently because I do a lot of fun boxes on this channel. So if you love unboxings, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video while we're talking about it. But my opinion is when they have the sleepwear boxes and they have, of course, the regular handbag box, and not name brand, but the regular box. And then they have the scarf box and things like that. Those are all kind of items that might appear in fun boxes. And for me, I like the variety personally. So I almost rather do the fun box and see if I get some of those items in it rather than doing a whole box of scarves or a whole box of handbags, unless you specialize in that. I don't. I specialize in everything or nothing at all, whatever you want to say. I'm a variety reseller. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like we have a couple bags, which was the point I was getting to. And this one has kind of the check print, similar to like what Louis Vuitton does with their damier print. Although, of course, this is not a Louis Vuitton. Wouldn't that be amazing? I have gotten a high designer bag in a fun box before. Thredup, obviously, whoever was boxing that did not know what they were sending me. So, anyways, so it can happen, just not frequently. I don't see any branding inside here, although the silica pack is still in. We've got this black and gray checked. It's like a faux leather. Kind of feels like a coated leather, like the Louis Vuitton. And then you've got a front zip pocket here. I'm pretty sure this is new without tags. And then you've got a strap. So you can wear it, I guess, like, how do you wear this? Oh, it looks like there's a couple of different ways. So you can either wear it over one shoulder, or it's got a second latch here, and you could thread it through and do it as like a backpack. Okay, someone might like that. Okay, next. I'm assuming these go together. Maybe these don't go together. Okay. Oh, I think they're separate. Okay. They look like they could. We have a pink. Looks like a lunch kit. It feels insulated. We'll open it in a second. Looks like it's new with tags. It's got the little pink mascot dog. And it does say a cooler and a keychain. It's got the little dog here. Obviously new with tags, which is great. There we go. So I'm super happy with that. That will sell. Okay, let's look at this. I kind of thought that this was with that bag, but it's not, because the straps are, you know, bright pink and orange. This is a purse strap, which I've had really good luck selling purse straps before, actually. So this one's not new with tags. There's like very slight wear, little bit of like transfer staining, but overall, I mean, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any branding on it or maker's mark, but I think that's cool. Okay, last item. We have a Chanel purse. No, just kidding. Gucci purse. No, not. This feels almost like a neoprene or something. I don't know. This feels really interesting. This is really pretty. This is definitely going to sell just based on style. People love this chained shoulder. You've got the comfort strap, and it is like adjustable and kind of convertible based on if you want it to be. You can double it up for like a shorter strap, or you can use it one for like a crossbody or shoulder bag. Oh, this feels, I really like the way this feels. Okay, let's open it up and see what's up. So this is the way that the closure is, just so you can see. Like that. Overall in good shape so far. It looks brand new. Yes, and it's like rubber. It's super weird. I love it. I totally love this. Okay. It's like a rubber or plastic purse, but it looks like it's a designer bag. So this will certainly do well I think it's beautiful. So anyways, I'm happy with that. It's unbranded, by the way. I don't know if I said that. And I looked around, didn't see anything. But I think this is super cool. So let's see how many items I got. The pressure's on when I have to count for you guys on camera. So we'll see if I can actually count to 10. Okay. We have this rubber bag that I am like kind of in love with. Number 1. The pink cooler for 2. The purse strap for 3. The backpack purse for 4. The tights for 5. The sunglasses for 6. The watch for 7. The hat for 8. The bralette for 9. And then these slippers that I'm also kind of in love with for 10. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I loved this fun box. Do I think that there's a really high ticket item in here? I don't know. That's part of the fun. I still don't know, and I already opened the box. I mean, maybe the watch is something. I get to research it. Or maybe that cool bucket hat is something. These are like the cutest stinking thing I've ever seen. But I certainly won't be making money on this box. I don't think that's in question. So anyways, just let me know what you guys think. I just love fun boxes. They're so much fun for me to open for you guys. I love doing unboxings and sharing them with you. And I do post in the community and in shorts sometimes different sales that I have that are surprising to me on some of these items that I unbox. So make sure to keep your eyes open for that. And like I said earlier, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and subscribe. And I will see you the next time. Bye.